Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off change system settings permissions in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our system settings permissions? We need to go to settings. Then we are looking for our applications menu here. And at the top right we have three dots menu and special access. Here we have change system settings. As you can see, quite a few applications have permissions to change our system settings. We can of course turn any that we want and back out. No need to save. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.